Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us at the MarketSite studio, we have Yair Nechmad. He is the co-founder and CEO of Nayax. We're going to take a look at the global payment system and discuss if we could ever truly get to a cashless society. Yair, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you for having me.
How has the payments industry evolved?
So it is scaling up quite fast. These days, payment is the center of gravity for all the action and transaction, alongside with the software and hardware. And this is taking place quite quickly. Consumers are really moving towards cashless payment and mobile payment, and it's carry a lot of what we call traction and tailwind for our business.
Yeah, I can't remember the last time I actually carried cash around. Tell us about Nayax specifically. Where do you fit in the payments and e-commerce ecosystem?
So Nyex is in a unique position. We're looking at payment as the center of gravity of what we're doing. Alongside with this, we have a software solution and a hardware solution. We started the business, unattended business for vending machine, kiosk, laundromat, and we're evolving with this payment to other area like retail and EV chargers, and taking place in the world of payment on the global world.
Tell us more about the solutions that you provide, because I understand that you help companies grow their revenues, decrease costs, engage their customers. So what is the platform? How does it work?
So the platform works first and foremost that we're connected to more than 45 acquirers. We are, I think, the largest company in the world that carry card-present solution in more than 60 countries. Alongside with this, we have a backend server, services that carry the analytics and the management and the telemetry that enable customers to really operate better and to take a better decision on a real-time live. And the payment itself is carrying a lot of what we call open loop solution, closed loop solution, alternative payment, all in one place. This is all together with a loyalty solution that we are providing to the customers to offer to the consumers, creating the increase of their revenue. So in one side is the increase in revenue because of the loyalty, and the other side is the services, and the center of this is the payment.
Is that what differentiates your solutions in the payment space?
Absolutely. I think that there is no one like Nayax that carry a one-stop solution, global level, with local support and local team in place, that can carry any tackle or any challenge that customer has in a way that addressing their pain point of profit and increased sales.
Are there certain regions of the world that are more attractive for payment solutions than others, whether it's emerging markets or developed markets?
We operate in 60 countries. We can see Far East from New Zealand to Australia to China and Japan that are carrying the Nayax solution. All Europe, Eastern Europe and Western Europe and North America and Mexico. So we see all the world. Of course, today Africa is lagging behind, but still we're looking very carefully to see how can we support all the countries. Today we are 60 countries. We believe that in 3-4 years we can reach out to more than 100 countries.
Yeah, it's interesting. I just had a guest on before you talking about Africa as a strategic growth area, just because of the demographics and you know, I mean, it's such a young population, only expected to
Absolutely.
grow more. So it really is an interesting region. How do you see the payments industry going forward? Do you think we can truly get to a cashless society?
I don't think that this is needed. I think it's always been chosen by consumers that they have some appetite for cashless, mobile, credit card, open loop solution, but some of them really carry cash, which is okay. It's part of the world. But we're moving more and more to the magnitude of cashless as a leading in terms of all the aspects of transaction. So there is room for everybody, and that's what we like to think about this, because it is not a monolithic world. It is a combination of a lot of what we call choices, with a tendency to cashless to carry much more of the heavy transaction that are going around the world.
Yeah, I can't imagine going to the bank once a week to get cash or just to remember to bring it. It's so convenient to do everything. I mean, you don't even need a credit card anymore.
Yeah.
So I would agree with you. It feels as if everything is going that way.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Right. Yeah, I appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.